Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler to four-wheel drive. First, ensure your vehicle is in a safe, level area. You'll primarily use four-wheel drive for off-road conditions or slippery surfaces like snow or mud. Never engage four-wheel drive on dry pavement, as this can cause significant damage to your drivetrain. We'll cover both 4-high and 4-low settings, so you're prepared for any adventure. To shift into 4-high, first ensure you are driving at a speed under 50 miles per hour. You can typically do this while moving, but some models prefer a brief stop. Place your automatic transmission in drive, or if you have a manual, keep it in gear. Then, firmly pull the transfer case lever, usually located next to your gear shifter, straight back into the 4H position. You should feel a distinct click and see an indicator light on your dashboard. Engaging 4-low requires a complete stop. Bring your Jeep to a full halt and then shift your automatic transmission into neutral. For manual transmissions, also place it in neutral with the clutch depressed. Now, firmly pull the transfer case lever all the way back, past 2-high and 4-high, into the 4L position. This setting provides maximum torque for extreme off-road situations, like climbing steep hills or navigating very rocky terrain. Remember to always disengage four-wheel drive once you return to paved, dry surfaces to prevent unnecessary wear and tear. It's a good idea to practice shifting in a safe, open area to get a feel for the process before you truly need it. Regular maintenance of your four-wheel drive system is also crucial for its longevity. And hey, staying hydrated on your adventures is super important, so check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.